Hello guys, welcome to the channel Plus Toy TV. So here also rice wheels. Alright, so we will look for some toy cars in the rice field, in the plowing field. Okay, so come along with me to look at the toy cars in the field, in the plowing field. Okay, wow. Now we found two cars here. This is a police car. Small police car, Angel of the City. Wow, that looks nice. Angel of the City. Police car had a plate number at the back. Okay, put in here. And we found the green car. Wow, truck. A truck, green truck. Okay, put in here. Okay, keep looking some more toy cars in the plowing field. Alright. Here we found two more. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is a fire alarm. Fire alarm. Wow, looks nice. Fire alarm 119. Emergency number. And here we found the bus. Holiday. This is like a city bus. Okay, city bus. Okay, let's find some more toy cars here in the field. Plowing field, cows. Okay. Wow, here we found two more. Okay, two more cars. Wow, this is a big motorbike. Big police motorbike. Look at this. Wow, it's beautiful. Big police motorbike. And we found another city bus. Four-wheel drive city bus. Okay. We're looking some more toy cars. Wow, here we found two more cars. And a motorbike. Here's a motorbike. People driving on a motorbike, speed motorbike. Wow, that's nice. And another car like taxi. This is like a taxi. Okay. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Keep looking some more cars. We're looking some more cars. Wow, here we found two more. Two more cars. Two more cars. Okay, this is like a post carrier, post car. Wow, carrying something. Four-wheel drive. And this is a mini police car. Mini police car. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Looking some more cars. Some more cars. Wow, here we found two more. Okay, here's another toy cars. Okay, here it's like a police car again. And here we found a motorbike. Big police motorbike. There's a big police motorbike. Wow, looks gorgeous. And here an airplane. Airplane. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Keep looking some more cars. Keep looking some more cars. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Okay, we found three more motorbike. This is a yellow speed motorbike. Yellow speed motorbike. And you see we found Interpret, the Interpret car. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's nice. Had also plate number at the back. Okay, this is we found a black car. It's a black car here. Black car, four-wheel drive black car. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Okay, found some more car. Keep looking some more car. Keep looking some more cars. Okay. Wow, look at this. Wow, two cars in here. Wow, look at this, two cars in here. Little car, little police car. Okay, all police car, plate number. And this is a school bus. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. School bus. And keep looking some more. Wow. There we found 2 more. Okay. Truck, bus. Wow. Construction team. Wow, looks gorgeous. And we found another Intrepid car. 4-wheel drive Intrepid car. Plate number at the back. And okay. 2 more in here. Okay. This is like a taxi. And the ambulance. Okay. Hospital car. Wow, that looks gorgeous. Okay. Now let's see what we have here. Okay. See what we have here. Fire alarm, 4-wheel drive, and police car, small police car, and here the green car, truck. This is taxi, the green taxi, and here's a city bus. Nice. And here police car, black color. Okay. Here bus. Okay, bus. Here again mini police car. And this is a post office car. Okay. Motorbike. A motorbike. And here again the yellow motorbike. And ambulance car, ambulance. Here big motorbike, big police motorbike. Wow. Big police motorbike. Here truck. And the airplane. Airplane. Here police car again. And this is mini Intrepid. And school bus here, yellow school bus. And this is a taxi. Here the police car, mini Intrepid. Okay. And little police car.